Hey guys, Callifab here, and today I'm going to do this amazing collab with a ton of lovely ladies here on YouTube. I will leave everybody listed down below, but this was actually Angela's idea from Beauty by Angela on YouTube and on Instagram. She was like, hey girls, do you guys want to do something like a 4th of July look, like a red, white, and blue look? And I was like, oh my god, that sounds like so much fun, and I was totally going to kind of do something like that anyways. So I was like, that's perfect. I will get in on this collab and see what everybody else does, and I'm just super excited to see everybody's looks and what they come up with. So basically what I kind of decided to do, because I know that there's some combinations of like lip and eye looks that I just don't like together, and red and blue aren't really like my favorite colors. Like red on my lips and red on my eyes are okay, but blue, I really only like to wear blue on the underneath of my eye, and you know, I was just like, I don't really want to force myself to wear blue on my lids when I would never wear a look like that anyways. My husband hates it when I wear blue on my lids. I don't know what it is about it, but he just says that it does not look good on me. It does not suit me and my personality at all, and I completely agree with him, because every time I do a blue look, I'm like, it could be better. So I am going to do a look right now, and then if I can get to it before the 4th of July, today is the 2nd of July, so if I can get to it before the 4th, then I will show you guys another look. And basically I'm going to do it like quick tutorial style, so I'm just going to show you what I'm using and put it on, and then I'll kind of describe what I did after, so that way it'll be a relatively quick video for you. So basically what I've already done is moisturized and oiled and primed my skin. I've done my foundation, which I will show you what I'm using for foundation today. I'm using this Makeup Forever Ultra HD Perfector Blurring Skin Tint with Sunscreen SPF of 25 in the shade 06. We actually got this in a Sephora Play box. So this is what I'm using as my foundation, and I love using lightweight foundations like this that let my skin breathe and I can see my skin through it, and I actually think this is really, really nice. And I wanted an SPF to have because we're going to be going outside and it's like 90 degrees. Just saying. And that's in Michigan. What? Anyways, and then for my concealer, because you guys know I don't typically wear concealer, but ever since I've gotten this, this is the only concealer I ever want to use. It is the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Aqua Sealer Concealer in the shade Fair. So this is what I just used all over my eyes, and that's why it's kind of pretty bright looking compared to the rest of my face. I also did my contour and my bronzer already, but I have not done blush or highlight yet because I'm not quite sure how the look is going to turn out, and I don't want to commit to a blush and a highlighter before I actually get the eyes done. So usually I already know what I'm going to do on my eyes, so I'll just do my whole face and then I'll do my eyes, but I'm still not fully committed to what I'm doing yet, so we're gonna go from there. And I am kind of the type where I don't want like the actual American flag red, white, and blue. Like, I don't know, I did find a blue that's like the American flag blue, so I am going to be using the blue from my Kat Von D 10-year anniversary palette, and it is gonna be, where is it, this blue right here. And if I can remember how these shades are, I kept the box because I can never remember which order the shades go in. So the blue is named Chad, and that's one of her muses. It's actually an ex-boyfriend of mine, so I really don't like that name, but anyways, I'm going to use this blue right here, and that one I know for sure I'm going to do under the eyes, like I already said. But for the lids, I don't know if I want to go with a red lid or if I want to go with a white sparkly lid. I think for the first look I'm going to do white on the lid, blue on the underneath, and then red lipstick, and then we're going to go from there. Let's get started. I already showed you that. I'm going to be using this LA Color Shimmering Loose eyeshadow with brush in the shade Snow White for the white glitter for my eyes. It's a very, very white glittery powder shadow. This one I actually got at Dollar Tree, so I'm sure you can get it over there. And then for lips, I haven't decided yet, so I'm gonna just kind of blow through this really quick and show you guys what I do. finished. I'm thinking I want to do like a thick black liner, but I haven't decided yet. If I do end up doing a thick black liner, I'll leave a clip right here of how it looks on my eyes, but I still need to do mascara, obviously, and I need to do a red lip because I have white and blue, and now I need red. So I'm thinking I'm gonna go in with the Colourpop Ultra Satin Lip in the shade London Fog. I really love this like pink red type of color, and like I said, I'm not sticking with like the pure white and pure blue, although these are kind of like the pure white and pure blue. So I really think that this will look good with it. So let's go ahead and apply this lipstick, and then I will put some mascara on and show you guys the final look. So here we go. Okay guys, so this is the final look that I came up with for this red, white, and blue challenge, collab, tag, friendship, group, whatever you want to call it. I don't really know what we're calling this, so I'm gonna call it a collab, I guess. But I ended up doing white on the eyes, blue underneath, and I carried it just a little bit on my lash line on the corner, and then I did like a pink red lip. So I will leave everything listed down below, and I did put mascara and blush. I used the Rockateur blush from Benefit, and I used the Tiki bronzer from Tiki bronzer from Hard Candy for my highlight today. And yeah, the Colourpop lips in the shade London Fog. It's the Ultra Satin formula. So I'm really happy with the way that this turned out. And we have to run to the grocery store now. So I'm going to take this red lip off because I don't know how bold I'm going to be to wear this red lip in public unless I was going to a 4th of July party. Maybe I'll just wear it and be bold for today. What do you think? Good. Good? So I will see you guys in tomorrow's video. It is going to be the Spell It Out Project Pan collab with pretty much the same lady. So you guys will see me in tomorrow's video. And I hope you all have a wonderful day or night wherever you are, and I will see you in the next one. Bye! Bye!